Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Deepa Devnath and I'll be really happy if you subscribe my channel below. So today I'm back with a new video, actually a jeans haul. My previous jeans haul got so many likes and so many views that I'm so happy. You guys loved that video. So I thought, why not just make another one? I made another one, posted it, but that got deleted. I don't know why. So now I'm back with that video again, not exactly with that video, because in this video I'm going to include more stuff, because just two more bottom wear reached me yesterday, so I'm going to include that in this video. So I hope you will love this video, and also check out my other videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. So without further murmuring, let this happen. So the first product is this beautiful jeans. This is a dirty pink sort of color. Now this jeans is a baggy fit jeans, but when I received it, it was too baggy on me, so I altered it a bit. And this also has a rib detailing at this, and the elastic at the back is also of very good quality, except the color is not as expected, because the color in the product picture is like a very light sort of color, light pink sort of color, but in reality this is a dirty pink sort of color. So except the color, everything is just perfect. But the color also is not that bad, like it looks good when it's on, and it goes with maximum tops, I guess. So yeah, I loved it. Now I will show you the clip me wearing it. Yeah, let's just move on the next item. So for the next item, I have a basic black jeans, but this is not of a basic fit. This is a bell bottom fit. You can see like this is tight here, but also loose right here. Like this is a bell bottom fit. Now this jeans is super cheap. I thought I got it for 400 something. I really don't remember, but this is of great quality. This is also stretchable. This is of great quality. This doesn't have elastics and all, but this is of great quality. I just love this jean. The fit, everything is just perfect, and all the jeans in this video are super high waisted. You don't need to worry about the high waist at all, because all the jeans are super high waisted. You will get super comfy when you wear it. You don't have to snatch it again and again. But yeah, this jeans is also super good. This is super good quality, and also the fit is really good. I'll show you me wearing it right now, and let's just move on the third one. For the third product, in third I have a trouser that's from Flipkart. So this is a basic printed trouser, a check print, black and white, that will go with everything. Now this also comes with a belt. The belt, how the belt feels, I'll show you when I wear it in the clip. So yeah, and the quality of the trouser is not that great, because this is a, I don't know what this, I think polyester or something, I don't know what the fabric is called, but you can't wear it in winter because it will make you cold. You have to wear something inside, then you can wear it. But this is very appropriate for summers. The fit and everything is really nice, but yeah, only the fabric is a little disappointing. Except it, everything is good. I think the fabric, in aspect of trouser, the fabric is nice, I guess so. I don't know, but yeah, I like the fit, I like everything. And this is also super high waisted. The belt also adds a very nice look to it. You can even wear it without the belt. I think it looks more good without the belt, but yeah, I will show you wearing it. Now let's just move on the next one. For the fourth item, I will show you the most trendiest thing going right now. I have two wide leg jeans in this video today. So this is a wide leg jeans. You can see the leg is so wide. So this is a blue color. This is a light blue color. So I bought this color because I always want jeans that will go with maximum outfits. I don't want anything that will pair with only one thing or two things, but I buy things like that will go with everything. Like not with everything, that should go with maximum things. My ears are also Okay, so let's just ignore it. So now this jeans will go with maximum things. So I bought this color and it also fits really nicely. The fit is really good, the quality of the fabric is good. It has elastic at the back. That's the disappointing part, because in the product picture it doesn't it doesn't show elastic. So I thought the back will be a normal back, but this has elastic. And also, let me just bring that to your concern that all the jeans except the trouser are of size 30. Only the trouser is of size 28, and except it, all the jeans are of size 30, because Misho 30 fits me properly. So yeah, that's of 30 sizes. Now this is the wide leg jeans. I will show you the fit in the next clip. So let's just move on the fifth and the last item of this haul. So for the very last item, I have the trendiest lavender color jeans. I don't know if you can see this, but this is a lavender color. Now this is also a wide leg jeans. You can see this. This is also a wide leg jeans, just the color is lavender. Now this I bought in the size 32, but this is not totally properly fitted on me. This is a little loose on me. I don't know if I can show you, but this waist is really bigger. See this. So yeah, this is really big on me. This jeans doesn't also have elastic, so this is really big on me. The size 30 doesn't fit me well. I think the 28 will fit me well. So yeah, just buy it according to your size. But except it, the quality of the jeans, the fit, everything is just perfect. I will show you in the clip when I wear it. But yeah, all the jeans are from Misho are of super good quality. The fabric is so nice, so soft, and this fabrics just caught me. And also the colors and everything are really good. This lavender color is so pretty. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, the lavender color. And as I said, all the jeans are high waisted, so don't need to worry. Now I will show you the clip me wearing it. So that's bring us to the end of this video. I hope you love this video, and I hope you love all the jeans of this video. And if you do like this, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I will meet you next week with a new video. Till then, stay safe, stay positive. Bye.